Get ready for the next industrial revolution. Mercedes-Benz is reordering its priorities, stepping back from the hype to focus on practical Level 2++ with Drive Assist Pro, while simultaneously pursuing Level 4 robotaxi projects in China and Abu Dhabi with partners like Momenta and Lumo. This strategic shift is reshaping how the brand approaches commercial mobility and autonomous driving.
Stop using your finger for notes, sketches, and edits. This Jam Jake stylus pen gives your iPad a smoother, more precise writing feel with palm rejection so your hand can rest naturally on the screen. It charges fast, works for hours, and comes with replacement tips. Perfect for school, work, or creative projects. Check the link in the comments to grab it on Amazon.
Next up, we dive into the world of green energy and robotics with First Hydrogen. This Canadian company has just secured exclusive global rights to a patented unmanned ground vehicle platform from Exodus Actuation Solutions. This revolutionary system uses a hybrid leg-wheel architecture to conquer uneven terrain, promising autonomous, zero-emission assistance for logistics and security across the globe. Now, let's look at the backbone of modern manufacturing with Rockwell Automation. This company isn't just selling hardware. They are building the bridge between the production floor and the IT department, generating massive recurring revenue through software licenses and lifecycle services that are booming thanks to AI integration and reshoring trends. And finally, we assess the market reality for Mercedes-Benz Group. Despite recent stock volatility, analysts are pointing to a fair value of €99.12 per share, suggesting the company is quietly undervalued, underpinned by its EV leadership and strong dividend payments. Don't miss out on this deep dive into the future of automotive and technology. The next phase of the green transformation is poised to redefine heavy-duty transportation and energy-intensive industry, driven by green hydrogen adoption and the integration of autonomous systems. This shift is creating significant opportunities for companies pioneering the synergy between these technologies. Mercedes-Benz, First Hydrogen, and Rockwell Automation are currently positioning themselves at the forefront of this industrial revolution. Mercedes-Benz is recalibrating its strategy, moving away from the expensive Level 3 drive pilot system in favor of a practical Level 2++ solution, Drive Assist Pro, to manage costs while exploring Level 4 robotaxi projects in key markets like China and Abu Dhabi. The company is simultaneously launching a major product offensive, planning over 40 new models through 2027, including all-electric vehicles, while maintaining strong financial health with significant cash reserves. First Hydrogen is executing a strategic pivot, shifting its focus from traditional fuel cell transporters to developing unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, platforms. Through a new agreement, the Canadian company has secured exclusive global rights to a patented UGV platform featuring a hybrid leg-wheel architecture designed for stability on uneven terrain. This technology, which can be powered by solar, batteries, or fuel cells, aims to provide autonomous, zero-emission assistance for logistics, construction, and last-mile delivery, tapping into the rapidly expanding global drone market. Rockwell Automation is capitalizing on the AI boom and reshoring trends, leveraging its position as a bridge between manufacturing floors and IT departments. The company's strength lies not just in hardware sales, but in recurring revenue from software licenses and lifecycle services, which are showing strong growth, particularly in the high-margin software and control segment. Despite robust forecasts driven by digitalization, Rockwell cautions about potential margin pressure from rising storage prices and tariffs. Analysts suggest that the key to future success lies in the intelligent integration of autonomous technologies with green energy solutions. These three entities, Mercedes-Benz, First Hydrogen, and Rockwell Automation, represent distinct yet equally focused paths in this decentralized industrial revolution, offering long-term perspectives for investors looking at the future of sustainable, efficient value chains. Mercedes-Benz has initiated a recall affecting over 144,000 combustion-powered vehicles in the United States due to a software glitch that can cause the instrument cluster display to go blank while driving. The issue impacts a broad spectrum of Mercedes-Benz, AMG, and Maybach models manufactured between the 2024 and 2026 model years. Documents filed with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration indicate that the glitch triggers repeated system resets within the infotainment control unit. These resets temporarily interrupt the display of critical driver information behind the steering wheel, including speed and warning indicators. NHTSA warns that this loss of vital driving information significantly increases the risk of a crash by creating severe driver distraction. The recall encompasses 144,049 vehicles across various Mercedes product lines, including sedans, crossovers, coupes, wagons, and performance AMG variants. According to Mercedes-Benz, the problem stems from software introduced in August 2025, which was intended to enhance system stability. However, certain vehicles experienced excessive system resets, leading to the display interruptions. The company has deployed an over-the-air software update to resolve the issue in affected U.S. vehicles, with approximately 62% of potentially affected cars reportedly already receiving the fix prior to the official announcement. Owners who have not yet received the update can still obtain the repair free of charge through authorized dealers. Dealers were notified of the recall on May 8, with owner notifications scheduled to commence by June 26, 2026. Notably, Mercedes has not issued a do not drive advisory for this matter. The scope of the recall is extensive, covering models such as the C-Class, E-Class, GLC, AMG GT, SL, and the Mercedes-Maybach SL 680, as well as several plug-in hybrid AMG models, though the recall is specific to combustion-powered vehicles. This incident underscores a growing trend in the automotive industry where software behavior, rather than mechanical failure, is becoming a primary safety concern, particularly in vehicles featuring complex digital instrument clusters. Mercedes-AMG has unveiled new renderings of the highly anticipated Mythos CLE coupe, offering a glimpse into its final design. These new images, attributed to Instagram user Igar spots, provide a detailed vision of what the supercar could look like in production. The rendering showcases a striking dual-tone color scheme, featuring white for most body panels contrasted sharply with black on the central hood and roof, potentially finished in carbon fiber. The design emphasizes aggression, particularly at the front end. The car features a grille adorned with vertical slats bearing the Mercedes logo and a sporty bumper equipped with large air ducts. Sleek headlights incorporating LED daytime running lights are complemented by louvers on the front fenders, enhancing the overall visual appeal. Turning to the rear profile, the design highlights distinctive LED taillamps. The focal point of the rear is a massive wing, paired with a sporty bumper that includes an integrated diffuser and what appears to be an F1-inspired light positioned centrally. Overall, the digital rendering aligns closely with the official images released by the brand, appearing highly believable and suggesting a visually stunning final product. Industry observers suggest this design direction promises an exciting and aggressive aesthetic for the upcoming Mercedes-AMG Mythos CLE coupe. Mercedes-Benz Group, ticker XDRA, MBG, is currently facing mixed market sentiment following recent share price volatility. While the stock saw a slight gain over the past day and a 4.9% increase over the last 7 days, it has experienced notable declines over the past month, falling approximately 6.7% and a significant 13.9% over the last 3 months. Year-to-date, the share price return is down 18.8%, although the one-year total shareholder return remains slightly positive at 1.7%. Suggesting recent momentum has subsided following stronger income and dividend effects. Analysts are currently debating whether the stock is undervalued given its current trading price of €50.26, or if the price already reflects future growth potential. The prevailing narrative suggests a fair value of €99.12 per share, indicating a substantial valuation gap. Proponents of the undervalued thesis point to Mercedes-Benz Group's strong brand, dominance in most parts of Europe, and its established technology, including leadership in electric vehicles prior to competitors like Tesla. While recent earnings declines have been attributed to the transition to electric vehicles, increased competition, and economic downturns, the company is highlighted as a leader in EVs with significant past investments set to yield future benefits. Furthermore, the consistent dividend payments are noted as a key factor. This valuation gap is supported by forecasts that rely on assumptions of sustained EV leadership and supportive trade policies, which could be challenged by evolving competition or regulatory shifts. The argument posits that the company is an undervalued, established dividend payer. Simply Wall SD's analysis suggests that the fair value of €99.12 is achievable based on assumptions of steady revenue expansion and a future earnings multiple significantly higher than the current trading level. Investors are advised to scrutinize the key assumptions and risks associated with this forecast before making investment decisions. The report emphasizes that this analysis is based on historical data and analyst forecasts and does not constitute financial advice.